welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Sean. I'm back for another video. So in this video today I'm going to be doing another designer handbag unboxing. If you missed my recent one, I'll be sure to link it on the screen somewhere so you guys can go ahead and check that out. I got a handbag in that video, also got some jewelry. I'm wearing one of the pieces of jewelry right here today. But anyway, so I'm excited about this video because I got a really good deal, at least in my opinion. So this video is featuring a designer handbag that I got for $200. So to me that is a steal because a higher end designer brand like the one that I'm going to show you guys is the same price of like Michael Kors or like a Rebecca Minkoff or maybe even like a Kate Spade bag. So I'm really happy with the bag that I got. So I actually got this bag from Fashionphile. This is my, I want to say, third time getting something from Fashionphile. I like that the boxes are nondescript. You don't have to worry about, you know, somebody knowing that you got a handbag on your step or anything. Let's go ahead and cut this bad boy open and check it out. So here's what it looks like when you open the box. It just has like an envelope right here, which I believe is just like my receipt. And then it always has like these little cards and little confetti. It says thank you. You've got options, buy online, pick up in store, drop off, and all of that. I do think they have a freestanding store in California somewhere, and then it also says thank you on there. So I always like the packaging and all that they have. But let's get to the bag itself. And it also has the Fashionphile that it always has inside, and there's confetti at the bottom of the box. So it says use is the new. And let me know, go ahead and comment below before I actually unbox this, what designer bag do you think I was able to get for $200? So let's open this up while you're writing your guesses down. The bag is in a Fashionphile dust bag. I didn't mean to match everything, but it is matchy-matchy. So let's see the bag. And here she is. This is the little bag that I got. Oh my goodness, I love the color. This is what I wanted. I wanted a more neutral color bag, a smaller bag like this. This is the Alexander Wang Mini Rocky, and I believe the color is in blush, if I'm not mistaken. What does it say? Oh, it comes with a dust bag, so maybe the Alexander Wang dust bag is inside. So it's wrapped. I like when they put stuffing inside. And it does have the Alexander Wang dust bag. I love when stuff comes with a dust bag. So here it is. It's nice black little dust bag that says Alexander Wang on it. But the bag is adorable. This is exactly what I wanted. It has like little side pockets on the side. It's in this gorgeous pebbled leather. Oh, this is exactly what I wanted. And here are the studs on the bottom. Now, these particular bags were all the rage a couple of years ago, but I'm not really somebody who's gotta have the trend it bag. I like bags I'm actually gonna use, and I thought this would be a really nice sort of everyday bag. This color is really neutral. I can wear this year round. I can wear this with light colors and my nudes and stuff like that, my neutral colors. All right, so that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to thumbs up if you did. I'm absolutely loving this little handbag. I'll definitely be cutting this tag off. You're not supposed to cut the tag off unless you actually want the bag. Yes, I want it. Like, look at it. Like, she is too cute. Of course I want it. With the studs on the bottom, yes, I can see this like on the crook of my arm, or wearing crossbody, or wearing as a shoulder bag. I can absolutely see me using this bag a ton. I love that it comes with the Alexander Wang dust bag as well. That's always a nice touch. I got a steal on this bag. I definitely saved some money. Anyway, I'll be sure to link all of the mini Rockies that I can find on Fashionphile or the Real and all the different sites that I can find below in case you guys want to possibly pick one up for yourself for Christmas like I did. This is one of my Christmas gifts to myself, so I'm excited about that. And be sure to check out my channel tomorrow for another video. I'm doing Vlogmas, a video every single day up until Christmas. And if you guessed correct, good for you, girl. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Till next time, later divas and dudes. Deuces, honey. Love yourself.